Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, hello everyone. Here I'm fine and I hope you're listening. Right now, today, I wanna make a video about the assignment from the weekly assignment. Basically, make a video explanation about preparing my examination of CNA. Or the goals of this video is I hope or hoping that I can understand and prepare myself for examination of CCNA. Okay, let's check or let's go to the my CCNA dan prepare. Basically, this is my CCNA practice module, and this module contains 20 practice questions for CCNA exam and converging network fundamentals, IP connectivity, IP service, and security. Each question includes option, the correct answer, and detailed explanation. Okay, for the first one, which layer of OSI model is responsible for end-to-end communication segmentation and flow control? And for the answer is transport layer, because the transport layer is managed end-to-end communication and including TCP/IP, TCP segmentation and flow control, and that is the place about the making protocol of TCP or UDP. And answer true or false. A floating static route is configured with a lower administrative distance or AD than the primary dynamic routing protocol. Correct answer is false, because a floating static route must have higher AD to ensure it only enters the routing table if the primary route fails. Third, what's the primary function of spanning tree protocol? It means like what the function or primary or main function of the FTP in switch network. And there is prevent layer 2 loops and other, and the correct answer is A, or this prevent layer 2 loops. It means like this protocol make flow of the data or packet correctly and uh, not looping gitu. For which command is used to verify the trunking status of an interface on Cisco switch? Means what the command if we want to check the status of trunking status, and the correct answer is C, or yeah, show interface trunk, and there's many details or many content about the status of trunk of the interface, and we can see that if there is we configure trunking and status change to trunk. True or false? In IPv6, the address 1 is the equivalent of the IPv loopback address, and for the answer is true. Because this one is reserve the IP loopback address of TCP/IP stack in IPv6. Which of the following is characteristic of spine leaf architecture? For the answer is leaf switch never connect to each other, like that. Then next, what's the default administrative distance of OSPF. The default administration distance of OSPF is 110 and 10. And if AGRP is 90 and RIP is 120, like that. Which protocol is used by control to communicate with a networking device and southbound interface? The configuration is netconf. It's a common southbound protocol used for device configuration and management SDN environment. After that, true or false? LLDP or link layer discover protocol is Cisco property. But the answer is false because LLDP is vendor network neutral that not only for Cisco property, it can run for MikroTik that connect to Cisco and other vendor to connect to other vendor. What does a router do with the packet if it cannot find a matching route in its routing table and no default route is configured? Ya paketnya will be drop begitu hasilnya. Kalau misalkan kita nggak lihat nggak ada jalurnya dan nggak ada di routing table. In the routing table we cannot see the way. For not routing, we cannot. The packet will be dropped. After that, which failed in IPv4 header is used to prevent packets from looping. But the answer is TL, time to life. It means like batas apa batas. Yeah, it's time to life if the time life after over the time, that's the IP address will be looping like that. And answer true or false. A standard access list should be placed as close of the source as possible. Yes, the standard access list. The answer question is false because the standard access list we must add it and we must add the standard access list in the place close the destination because the filter based on the source IP. And which of this is IPv4 private? This is the IPv4 private. The range IP is from the 172.60 until 172 until 31. That which 70 level in this log error configure and the answer is level 3 because this is log level 3 is defines error, level 0 is emergency and the level 7 is debug. That WPA3 is like protocol security. Use the simulation authentication of equal to provide stronger protection against brute force attack. But the answer is true because SAE is singkatan dari simulation authentication of equal. It's replace the PSK. PSK is PSK WPA.PSK like that. Exchange use the WPA2 to mitigate offline dictionary attacks. Third, what is the purpose of VTP mode transparent? To allow the local VLAN discretion while forwarding TTP advertising. Which of the following benefit of using WLC? WLC. The correct answer is centralized management access point, because WLC is allow administrator to configure and monitor multiple lightweight APIs from a single interface. After that, which true or false? Two-way communication in OSPF is safe when routers see their own router for the router ID. For the answer is true, because the uh, directional confirmation in OSPF is the requirement for two-way step in OSPF agency. Connection the agency first. For next question is, what is the prefix length about the subnet mask 224? The 224 is prefix length of the slash 27, because the mask is uh, has 27 bit, yeah, which this is correspondence to 254. For the last question, which JSON that type represent an ordered list value? And for the answer is array, because an array in JSON is an ordered collection of value. X includes in square brackets or tanda kurung. Okay, maybe that's enough for me for this video assignment, and maybe there's many dump of CCNA that we must learn again, and maybe for the my video of this assignment is enough for this. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.